Alright guys, so I got the door panel off. That video is there. And 310 mils, this pops out. Obviously you unplug it first. Hello. There's a Ford clips, and funny enough, whoops, garbage anyway. He had got me these already, and this, which is a bracket for this guy to mount the new speaker in its place. I don't know why it says Nissan. This is a Mazda. And then you got Ford adapters. Hello. So the only major thing is you have to break these guys off, the inner ones. These are for 5 1/4, the inner little rings you see there. We're going to take them out because we're going to mount a 6 1/2, which is a better speaker. This guy, JL Audio. And I will show you the final product. Oh, hang tight. Alright, so we're back from the intermission, and I broke all the tabs on the back side so the speaker could fit nice and flush in there. This little harness, adapter harness, works out pretty well. Just plugs right in, and then 4 screws to the corresponding screw holes in the actual bracket. Now, this I did. You can tuck the wire right behind it. There is enough gap. It's not going to pinch. I already did it on the other side. It's fine. 310 mils, and you're good to go. And there you have it. Actually, here you go. Lines up that way. That's the whole point of this little bracket. So it lines up to 10 mils. Put the factory 10 mils back in, which are right there, and you're good to go. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.